I have to have mine can't. It's not waterproof at all.
Oof.
Yeah, I was gonna wear it today, but I couldn't.
Yeah.
Hey, could you somehow send me the video footage so I can put it
Yeah.
on YouTube?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna put it on YouTube as well.
Okay. How do you? Can you send it through email? Like, can you send videos?
There's a site that will send me. It's like
Gmail. Gmail can? Okay, I have Gmail.
Gmail can do big videos like that.
I think so. Yeah. Hey, help me with this real quick.
Yeah, hold up.
So cool. Yeah, we really kind of need the canopy.
We really kind of.
Oh my god, real quick.
I'm blessed. They are not over here.
They're not over here.
Okay, these guns just make you feel Russian.
You guys pull out a little bit.
Oh, come on. They're not over here.
They aren't.
Hayden, the arm down. Pull arm down.
Do you know the way?
Do you know the way?
The arm. Pull arm down.
Yeah, there you go.
There we go.
Oh, where's Nicholas?
Yeah, there you go.
I don't know. Oh, they have to go to a wedding, so I was like, no, I'm playing airsoft.
No, I'm playing airsoft. I don't care.
I seriously didn't know like a lot of people were actually interested in airsoft. Oh yeah, I love.
Please don't get soaked. Let's put those in here. Hey, Bryson. I'm gonna put these in my bag so they don't get wet. Yeah, I'll leave that up here. I've got extra rounds.
There's actually a boy who wants to join. He wants to join Blue Team. I bet you he'd probably buy it from you for about 15,
I'll probably get one
$20.
too.